Hello friends, as a part of Udan project, myself Shubha from Bharat Scouts and Guides, Bangalore North District, Karnataka, would like to present this video for Group C Challenge 14 Virtual Scouting Guiding. Let us now know origin of scouting, guiding and rangering. Robert Stephen's son, Smith Baden Powell, was born on 22nd February 1857 in London. His father, Reverend H.G. Baden Powell, died when BP was 3 years old. His mother, Henrietta Grace, took care of all the 7 children. BP lived a glorious outdoor life with his 4 brothers, hiking and camping in many parts of England. In 1870, BP joined Charterhouse School in London on a scholarship. He was an outstanding scholar and one of the liveliest in the school. He was a goalkeeper in the Charterhouse soccer football team. At the age of 19, BP got graduated from Charterhouse and joined army. Being a British Army officer, he took an initiative that led to the formation of scouting first and then guiding and later roving and rangering in order to serve the society by using young boys and girls. So some of the reasons that might have influenced Baden-Powell for formation of scouting were when he was working in India as an army officer, he found that his army men did not know basic first aid or outdoor survival skills, follow a trail, tell directions, read danger signs, and find for some food and water. So this must have made him to write military handbook aims to scouting. During 1899 to 1900, Boer's army attacked Mafeking, a training center in South Africa. During this 217-day siege, Baden-Powell used the boys of Mafeking from 9 years up and gave them training and called them Mafeking Cadet Corps. These boys took the duties of carrying messages and orders, help in kitchens, made Baden-Powell feel that boys will be useful when they are put on an active service. So in August 1907, Baden-Powell conducted an experimental camp in Brownsea Island, Dorset, England. In the camp, 20 boys took part and they were all from various social backgrounds. At the end of the camp, BP felt it was very successful and the boys proved that when put on their honor, they would do their best. With all these experiences with young boys, BP brought out a book titled Scouting for Boys in 6 fortnightly parts, and after reading this book, most of the young boys became scouts. This is how scouting started. In the year 1909, a rally was being called for all the scouts at Crystal Palace, London. 11,000 scouts in uniform attended this gathering. Along with the boys, BP was surprised to see girls at the rally wearing uniform like boys, scouts. When BP asked, "Who are you?" they replied, "We are the Girl Scouts." At this point of time, he made his sister Agnes Baden-Powell to look after the girls, and the girl section was called Girl Guides. After his marriage with Olive St. Clair Soames, both together started to promote scouting and guiding around the world. Scouting and guiding is universally recognized as the world's largest youth movement. Today, more than 10 million members belong to Guide movement. So in 1916, the girls who had been guides at the beginning were growing and was not feeling comfortable to work with small girl guides, but they wanted to continue guiding with other older guides. At this point of time, BB thought of this new branch for senior guides and asked Mrs. Marker to take up senior guides and work out a plan for them. And hence, in 1918, new units were formed for senior guides. Later, in 1919, the group was named as Ranger by Chief Scout Baden Powell and forwarded by Chief Guide in the Gazette in June 1920. In India, rangering started in 1918 and we have more than 80,000 rangers across the country. Now we have come to the end of this video. I thank Bharat Scouts and Guides India, Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka, and Government First Grade College, Malleshwaram for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all. Thank you.